All right, well, this afternoon we did see a lot of clouds. It was a bit on the mild side with highs pretty much in the 60s, a few of us in the lower 70s. And also, yes, we had a lot of clouds and some rain. But now as we head on into the evening, more rain chances will increase for us, and also noticing more of the showers on into tomorrow. But let's take a look at our numbers from yesterday. As we topped off in those middle 70s at 75, our low was at 55 degrees. Both of those numbers above where we should be for this time of the year, which is starting to come down now, more into the upper 60s and the upper 40s. Our record back in the year of 2002, 91, weren't anywhere near that. And our record back in the year of 1995 for our low at 34 degrees, also nowhere near that number. Today's highs, lower 70s in Marquette, 73, 77 over in Manistee. Winds right now out of the south around 10 to 15 miles per hour. We should expect these to weaken below 5 miles per hour throughout the remainder of the night, but really start to pick up by tomorrow after the cold front moves through. Seeing more of a northerly wind, that will help winds to pick up anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour. So a bit on the breezy side, also noticing more of those clouds and showers. But throughout the night, light rain will continue to find its way in more and more, seeing it throughout the evening. And then by tomorrow, yes, the scattered rain will be in place, in and out, heavy at times. But it does get out of here by tomorrow night, and we start to quiet down, seeing more of that clearing sky for tomorrow night. And Sunday should be a pleasant afternoon for us with mostly sunny skies and comfortable temperatures. Now a look at our setup right now shows a cold front working its way in from the west. The rain mostly to our south, but beginning to pick up for us. Now heading into tomorrow, you'll see that yes, a lot of the thunderstorm activity will be on the forefront of the front, but for us on the backside, not really seeing anything. It looks like we are noticing just mostly rain showers, not really getting any of that thunderstorm activity, and definitely not expecting any severe weather, which should remain well off to our south. And going on to the beginning of next week, well, we do start to see things quiet down. Monday should be okay for us, but as we go later on into next week, starting to see our numbers cool back down as this cooler pocket of air works its way in from the north and west. We'll get more of that taste of fall across the region, and we'll notice our numbers fall not only just back closer to those averages, but maybe even fall below those averages heading on into the mid to latter portions of next week. Well, your Futurecast model this evening, a few light showers in place, but tomorrow really seeing that rain pick up. You can see more of those yellows showing up across the region. That is your heavier rainfall, mostly across central and eastern UP. Farther west, yes, we will have some rain and maybe even some pockets of heavier rain, but not expecting it to be quite as consistent as what we're expecting here into central and eastern UP. But everything heads out by late tomorrow night, heading on into Sunday, expecting more of that sunshine to be in place, and then keeping the sunshine around as we head on into Monday before things become a bit more cloudy by Tuesday. Tonight we'll find our numbers into the upper 50s, more of those clouds in place, and also seeing the showers as we go later on into the night. Light winds tonight, but really seeing them pick up for tomorrow, anywhere between 10 to 20. A gloomy afternoon, also a bit on the cool side, and rainy out there. High temperatures around the low to mid 60s, 63 in Lawrence, at 63 in Ontonagon. Houghton will top off at 63, at 62 in Florence and in Iron Mountain. Escanaba looking like it's going to top off around 64. Manistee at the same number. It looks like our warm spot will be in Munising at 65. Tomorrow's forecast will be completely wet. Make sure to have the rain gear, but by tomorrow night we do see things quiet down, more of a clear sky ahead of us, and temperatures dropping into the 50s, maybe even a few of us in the 40s. Sunrise tomorrow morning at 7:22 a.m. Your forecast over the next 7 days: Saturday will top off at 60. Sunday warmer with the sunshine in place with a high of 71. Monday we'll find our numbers right around those lower 70s before the cooler air arrives, and that fall-like weather will be in place. Tuesday all the way through next Friday with more of the clouds and rain in place by next Thursday and Friday. Highs trying to rebound back into the upper 60s, but a coolish day on Tuesday, a high of 59, 61 heading into Wednesday. So yes, cooler days ahead of us over the next 3 days. Not too bad, at least Sunday and Monday. You do have to deal with the clouds and rain tomorrow though, and it looks like afterwards starting to see things not really heat too much up all that much, and it looks like the humidity will stay to our south.